What are you going to grab to grind if you don't have to test a grinder, Jerry? This motherfucker right here. The old mate. I've got them all. Like, people are like, hey, have you tried this grinder? I'm like, no, but I will. You know, like I will go out and find that grinder and buy it just so I can try it, just so I can compare it, just so when people ask me, I'll have a valid answer. You know, like, what's the difference between this and that? Like, I want to know that. And I'm committed to finding out. That's why I got all the vapes. That's why I got all the grinders. I like doing that shit. You know, I'm passionate about it. The things that stay on my desk, and this is not an intentional test. This is like natural selection.
Right. Perfect.
The things that stay on my desk, the things that stay on Jerry's desk are the winners of natural selection. Like, we got all the shit. Like, what are you going to use when you don't have to use something?